What's up, people of YouTube? This is Grow Me Something Mister. It's Sunday, March 27th, 2022. It's the start of my spring-summer garden. This garden is going to be a lot smaller than usual. At least that's the plan. You can see here in this 5x10 bed, there's nothing here. I did put some seeds down right here for some cantaloupe, so we'll see what happens with that. I put down seeds in this front area here from some eggplant that was like volunteer eggplants, and it was a different type that I've seen on any pictures, so I'm trying to see if I can get those to seed. I don't know if I put the seeds down, saved the seeds correctly, but I'm trying it anyway. I got some volunteer, this looks like some sort of squash right here that volunteered, so I'm going to let those grow as they are. And right here I put down, as you can see, some cantaloupe seeds here to see what happens with those. This is my tomato and pepper bed. So I've got 6 Creole tomatoes right here, and I've got 2 rows here of I guess sweet peppers. This one here is a tequila bell pepper, and this type right here is whatever that is. So it looks like some sort of somewhat mild but still spicy pepper. I believe it's supposed to be a poblano. It's a poblano type pepper right there. So hopefully that'll work out fine. I can stuff that with bacon and cream cheese. And in this spot here, I put down seeds for a Cuban pepper. I had it last season, but I lost it. I couldn't keep it to overwinter. Finally, if you remember last season, this bed here had potatoes, so I didn't grow anything in the fall, but I did put down just recently, a couple weeks ago, some seeds for lettuce, so we'll see what happens with those lettuces if those come up. And we've got whatever pepper this is. I think it's a cayenne. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but you see I've got one there and flowers all around. So this pepper here, I'm just going to leave it as is, and I did put down some seeds for watermelon, so I don't know if that's what that is or not. That's it, a very small garden intro. We'll see what happens. I did change out my compost bin. Maybe I'll show that to y'all one day. But that's it, a small video, small garden setup for this spring, summer. Alrighty, I thank y'all very much for watching. This is Grow Me Something Mister. And remember, no, I still don't have an eggs on yet, so see you later, everybody.